Are you struggling to find the right home improvement company to replace your old windows? Most of us have been there at some point in time. Many start with the internet and do a search for local window replacement companies. But how do you choose? Many window companies require an in-home appointment in order to issue a price quote. Ask yourself, do you want a total stranger in your house for hours preaching to you about how great their product and company is? No. Worse yet, most require that all decision-making parties be present during the appointment so the sales rep has a better chance of taking an order that day. Zen Windows is changing the way consumers buy replacement windows. Our process is a breath of fresh air that allows homeowners an easy way to replace their windows without the pressure of an in-home sales presentation. Instead, Zen Windows will provide a custom quote for you in 5 minutes via email. We just need some simple information like how many windows, what color, and what styles you're looking for. Send us a relaxing email today and get Zen.